Gosh, my brows look horrendous. I already did my blush and my bronzers. My sleek makeup highlighting palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the top right here. I go ahead and go in and put it on my cheek. Like, look at that pop of color, you guys. But it's just the fact that it's too light, I think, for me. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out because that's way too much right now. Blend this out because it looks absolutely nuts. Like, oh my gosh. So now I'm just gonna highlight around my chin area like ever. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do my brows with this. That's the best of my brows again today. We're just gonna leave them alone because concealer on, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I love the smell of this stuff. Just gonna go ahead and get this going on my lid. Now I'm gonna set it with that Becca Cosmetics powder. I'll show you in a second. Setting powder. So just gonna go ahead and set my lids with it. Okay, with MFEO, I believe. And it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and just put this literally all over and see if that's what you guys like. The crease. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go in with Roxanne. She is an absolutely gorgeous color. Already, I'm like, yes, yes, give me all that love and all that color. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it and not try to do anything so dramatic, if that makes sense. And even though it's getting dramatic, I literally I have, let's see, let's compare. Yeah, that's okay. This brush, and I'm gonna go take and light and silk cream. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it under here as a brow bone. Now I got that on, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out. And with my NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a Turn On. Tight line to my eyes, and I'm just lining. Really light color, and it seems to have like an iridescent peachiness to it, I guess. Like, it's so beautiful. It like reflects gold, you know? Like, it's like a rose gold color. And that one is called Sissy. And it looks something like that. Sissy. It right here, and I guess I got fall light going on here. See? Very, very light. Faint right here. Just gonna pop it in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Eyes with on this Eco Tools brush. I'm just gonna go in with the darker color, and that one was in Jack's. I'm gonna put it under my eyelid. I mean my lower lash line. Under my eyelid. Yeah, I'm gonna put eyeshadow on my eyelid. And I'm just gonna press it in because oh yep. Like so. Looks like so. Stick it under like so. I really hope you guys can see that. Exact same color. And just go in my crease with it. I don't know, like I love glitter, so I'm using this to, I'm just gonna take some of this and just put it on my crease. Like this. See? There you go. I mean, it's just a touch of glitter, not too much, but something to give it that, you know, that little oomph, like, okay, you tried, you know, you got some glitter going on. Go ahead and go in with this Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, and I'm literally just now breaking this in, and it is wet, so. And this is in the color 01. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips real quick with this Catrice Ultimate Stay lip liner in the color Red Cadillac, which is classy, by the way. Yeah. I have lip balm on, and literally my lips have been so dry lately that my lip balm has been like, oh my god, what in the heck is going on outside? Like, alright, so now that I lip line my lips, I'm gonna use this lipstick, and I've been neglecting my lipsticks because I've been using like liquid lipsticks, you know? So I literally need to show my lipsticks some more love because I haven't. And this is what the color looks like. It's gonna... These have like a weird smell to it. It smells like candy or something, you know? So, get that lipstick on, and I have issues with putting lipsticks on throughout from the tube, but I got it on, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and probably use a salmon color again. I'm trying to use a salmon Baby Cosmetics color. And I'm just gonna take this brush here, and it's not really flat like that, but you know it'll do. So brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go in. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control by Scandinavia. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and get this. Looks like this. So thank you guys so much for watching my makeup tutorial. This is my first Valentine's Day look. Okay, so this is the finished look. And I thank you guys so much for watching, taking the time out to watch my videos. Make sure you go and subscribe if you're not a part of this family already. And give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see any more Valentine's Day looks. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do more. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.